when I'm gonna go drop these parts off to the machine shop, get it cleaned up, the bottom end and the top end, get it all cleaned up. And I might have them, not might, I'm gonna have them check the crank and the camshaft. I'm gonna have them check both of those to check them to make sure everything is up and running, everything is good, clean, looking perfect. So I got a camshaft right here. I'm about to go pick up everything else at my homeboy's house, and then we're gonna head to the machine shop. Let's go. Oh yeah, so I'm about to start putting these parts in the car. So this is the block. Oh, I'm putting on the wide lens, y'all boys. Yeah, so almost got everything. So that's the bottom end and the top end. And I need to go find the crankshaft. Yeah, I think this is the crankshaft, if I'm not lying. Yep, I feel like it's the crankshaft. This is the crankshaft.
Lift up there. Yeah.
Who took this apart?
He just put the car and he put the leg.
That's
That's all I know. And this you only one clean.
Yeah.
Okay.
Clean and then shave.
Yeah, well I
The head
deck it.
and the
Yeah.
block.
Yeah. Oh, you want to deck the block too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just to make all smooth.
Okay.
Try to make it a little bit of power.
Yeah.
And then
Hey, Mo.
let's check the crank just to see if you need to polish it or not. Or not, just clean it.
I'll take a look at it. If I don't have to touch it, I don't touch it because you'll lose.
Yeah.
You know, I'm
And then
coming.
you got to get oversized bearings.
Give me a quick second.
Yeah, he's got all kinds
What?
of. He's got $1 million dyno machine back there.
I know.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh man.
Yeah,
In
he can
business.
take motors that are blown, reposition, rebore them, and all that stuff.
Check the crank. Cleaned out. Which one is like little small motor. I ain't worried about
What's
it.
this out of?
Civic.
You want the deck ahead?
Yeah. It could still deck because it's not hitting it yet. Just to make sure, just so everything is nice and clean.
Yeah, you got a deck ahead. You want to do? You're not doing the valves?
No, I didn't bring the new ones that I'm putting in.
You guys could do the valves
Yeah, we can. Yeah.
just to make sure it's seat correctly so it doesn't leak.
But I'll have to bring the new ones, right?
Yeah, you gotta bring the ones that you
So-
have.
Why'd you bring this?
Just to check it,
Check it.
make sure it's good.
Jose said if it's good, he's not going to touch it. He don't want to fuck with it.
These seals are old. I'm gonna get new ones.
Yeah, we just took it apart. You see a little drag on it? That's why I want to check the crank because it has a little drag.
It's not that bad. All right, let me get your information. Oh, you're gonna help him out, Mike. It's good the
Hey,
information.
they got the new, what do you call those pistons?
Valve.
Valves.
But I didn't bring it.
Yeah, we could bring you back the valve.
If you, whatever you bring me is what I'll do. So if you want to go get them, I mean, I'm not gonna do this today. So you have time to bring the valve.
Yeah, but the same thing I use action. You see a little drag on it?
Mm-hmm.
I just want to check the crank just to make sure it's.
Yeah, we'll inspect anything before we do anything.
So you don't want to bore the block, you just want to hone it?
No, yeah, just clean it.
Yeah, it's the same size piston. It's not oversized.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want us to bring you the pistons and all of that?
No, I don't
No,
need it.
no, just a valve.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that way the valve seals.
Open in the morning.
8 to 5.
Yeah, the valve seal could be right.
I work right on the road, so I could drop them off in the morning.
I mean, those valves don't look bad at all. We can just
No, I just
Well, right now.
all gray valves.
Yeah,
Okay.
because right now I got the cam backed off, so they're all shut. Because you know, with single cam, this down is gonna snap it and damage.
So we'll do it, and then you have to set them up again on the
Yeah,
whatever
you gotta
want to
adjust
set
them.
Yeah, you gotta adjust them. Yeah.
I ain't worried about that.
Yeah.
Someone put water in it instead.
Oh,
Yeah, he was saying the same
That is weird.
That's nothing but water. That's calcium buildup.
This is out of a Honda Civic?
Yeah. All they did was water. You know.
It's regular
Honda.
water from the well. That's what that well water
Yeah,
is.
that's calcium buildup. That's what I was telling him.
Yeah.
This is his build.
Yeah.
So, you know.
You can
Well,
see somebody was just throwing water in
We'll
there.
get it. We actually we probably can put it on the dyno too, and
Check the power.
You do dyno for cars?
we can set it up.
What you charge for the dyno?
I'll have to talk to the guy and see how much.
It's $600 a motor.
Who dynos for you guys?
Al.
I don't know how.
Yeah.
You guys know Javi? Because I got a guy that dynos for me.
Oh, okay, well then
Yeah.
But is the dyno set up for USDM or imports?
Do
Because the power ratio will be different.
It's mostly V8 Ford Chevy.
Yeah, so with import it'll be
I
a little
don't
bit
think he does.
different.
We don't have the manifolds for the imports.
Yeah, so that'll be different.
Yeah, the exhaust manifolds. All we got Chevy Ford exhaust.
we do a lot of
V8
airboat and V8 engines.
Don't do inlines. Don't have the exhaust manifolds for it.
Oh man, so it's just put it together, assembly, put it on the dyno, and then drop it back in the car. It's not the car actually on the dyno.
It's on the dyno.
Yeah, it's in the dyno.
Okay. All right, let's get this
Okay.
project started.
Go in there and have a Jose get your name and number.
Go ahead. bro.
Write it down in there. That's really weird.
You got a wash station I can wash my hands.
Alright guys, we're in the junkyard looking for a bumper for the the 2011 Honda Civic to put on the other car. So we just got some the thing, like a little adapter thing for the door, and then we got some like wire harness for the tail light and shit. What? You wanna look funny. But yeah. So what we looking for? A front bumper? Yeah. Looking for a front bumper. There's another one right here. There's this one. But this one don't have any bumper. Nothing on there. Yep. So yeah, we just looking.
Where's your boss?
Where you at? Man, it's hotter than a bitch out here, boy. Golly. Whew. But now they got like a lot of cars and shit out here. They got a Acura right here. What happened to the other? T-Bomb. Old Swaggy. God damn, they ain't got no Civics out here. No Honda Civics. God damn. We like in the back. This what?
Is that top end of the
Or I feel. But yeah, guys, we're gonna keep looking around, see if we find a bumper for the car. As of right now, we only seen like what, 3 Civics, but yeah, and none of them got they only got the rear bumper, but we're not looking for the rear bumper. We're looking, trying to get the front one. But we looking still. We got a little Mini right here. Stuff. Dodge. Fuck this thing. It's a Kia. Oh shit, this a manual. Oh shit. They bit fucked up. Yeah. It's a stick.
They look like they have an upgraded intake. I wonder what kind of injector they have on this.
Turbo what?
It's them have one turbo in it.
Where is it?
It's in the back.
Oh, they got a turbo in there?
And try to see if they have an upgraded injector. We would have to take off the fuel.
This is an Audi TT in it. Yeah. That's smooth though. This shit low key fixable though. I mean, from the front. Yeah, I think this is a aftermarket bumper.
Yo, me I try to see if this have, if they need upgrade fuel kit on it. I try to see them upgrade the fuel kit. And because they have a turbo. This upgrade, right? Or just the stock?
That's stock.
I try to see what kind of injector if it's upgraded.
No, that's OBD1, but they're probably a higher impedance. So you could take it on.
What do you not go work in that car?
What, an Civic?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean,
Oh yeah, I do need the one, right?
so it's this is power and grounds. So signal and grounds.
So, but we can't take you out to know how much.
You have to run a number. You have to take it out, and then there's a number on there.
To see how much CC it is.
Yeah.
But most likely it's probably like a higher shit. Because you can
Depends.
boost it.
Yeah. So,
Like,
but there's literally a number on there. You have to take you out, and then it will tell you how much CC. Or if not, you can look up the year, make, and model, and find out the CC where it carry. And then them you clip here. You're gonna need them.
Just cut it off.
Them you clip here, I better clip because
Pop already.
Yeah, man,
You know, pop.
you already broke this shit.
it's not broken, motherfucker. You know.
Okay, just cut them motherfucker then.
You see how this you clip here?
Yeah.
You're not gonna lift up.
You know, lift up there.
Them you clip here, I better clip.
I can take this shit out, bro.
Then cut it from like right here.
I'm not talking about that shit. I'm talking, I might be able to take this out.
No, you can't take the injectors out because you gotta release the fuel rail. You gotta release the fuel rail from right here.
Stupid ass shit. No big guy in that car, Jim.
I think so. I think there's nothing in there. Yeah, this motherfucking seat all the way up for it. I think it's power or no. I don't even know.
But I don't know a year. I'm more than a year.
Look on the door, John.
Oh, right here? No. No, they sprayed this bitch. They sprayed it. This one.
You need to get the wrist part in there. Each other. And it's like gone.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. But yeah. We trying to see if we could get some
Hey, Bobby.
some other stuff for we having a Civic built. We trying to get some extra parts and stuff to go in there as well while we looking for the the front bumper. What we got going, sir?
You need to get that to take out this 1, 2 bolt plug and the engine can come out.
Ain't got no Allen key?
Need that. And then pursuers I run proper high boots. They change a lot of stuff on here.
I got all type of stuff out here, y'all. Man, it's so hot, bro. I'm talking about it's hot as hell right now. Whew. I'm talking about it's like about 90 degrees. It's hot as hell. Whew. I'm about that little thing up here. Little shelter and shit. See what they got going on.
Somebody always put the engine on before.
Yeah, you can tell. Right? No, it's a turbocharged.
It is turbocharged.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? They probably upgrade that shit because it's not even in there. They probably took that shit out.
And I can't get all the
It's
engine.
a turbocharged on the side. Is it not an Allen key?
Well, which part Allen key then?
Allen key pull that.
Nah, none, dog.
I was asking.
You just saw 10 dollars and they said nah, none. I go on back there, be a fuck your check more time now. So if I want piece of iron, then the man have cried up there now.
There's a V8 in this bit. What the fuck? Hey, go look at this bit. It's a V8 in this. Oh, big as shit. There's another audio over here.
It's an A4. This comes with a bigger turbo.
It's a V6.
Fuck it.
I want to do.
That's not bad. Smooth. The engine is good though. Pretty sure. Take the engine out and sell it. Man, but hot as hell, bro. Ugh. Look at this. It's a work van right here. Well, I'm about to hop back like over there, big goddamn. Oh shit. What the fuck? Bro, it's about hot as hell, bro. It's so much cooler in here, low key. It's not humid, it's just hot because of the sun. But it's like cool winds blowing, but it's just like it's fucking just hot from the sun. It's not humid and hot at the same time, if that makes sense. You said what happened, cuz?
Oh, that shit ain't gonna work. Where that nigga at?
He right here, 8 ton. Where's that going? Man, it's about hot. And I'm over here having a headache at that. Golly. Sweating. I'm telling y'all, don't ever come to the junkyard. I'll freaking 12, 1 o'clock in the day. In summertime, this shit crazy, I'm telling y'all. I'm trying to get a goddamn heat stroke out here. But we're gonna get back to it though. Damn, this boy breaking shit, goddamn. Ow.
The fuck out here. You gotta tip on your keep.
Yo, it's a forged intercooler. It's a forged intercooler.
Yeah, you could run this. You ain't run a big turbo. You could use this. You gotta
That's
see
a
if it
Forge.
does it fit.
In the cooler. I don't know if I can see it. Yeah, it says.
You just gotta see if it
Forge.
fits on the Civic.
But these
Yo,
boys,
let's
these
think that
boys.
cool actually later, guys.
Yeah.
So, you know, it's a fucking.
So we take off the bumper.
You wanna put it back up?
I had it.
I think that's why I
What kind of motor is that?
F-Series.
No, it's not Scooby car. Tell her nigga come again.
I need transmission.
Automatic.
They got 2 wheels. And there's another one right here.
Yo,
No one another one this shot.
yeah.
The front.
Yo, man, I can't come on that son. Don't cut 9 fucking stuff.
It's the same J series joint. God damn, man. How this
What you need out of that? I build motor. What you need out of that? Eh? Tell
Look
me
at
what
these
you need
two.
out of this. I build motor.
Ordering.
This is the non-vehicle.
Always arguing about dumb stuff.
Don't look to me what I need, I just here.
We don't know tool for that.
We have to come back.
Did you think that already?
Oh, my head bumming. I'm gonna freak out this sun, y'all. Alright, y'all. I think we gotta come back and get like the rest of the stuff, because we ain't bring no tools. So when we're probably gonna come back around like Sunday and stuff with like tools and stuff.
Boy, no fucking sense of my loan.
One of them days, maybe Thursday, or they just said they don't open on Sunday, but I won't be here.
The next time Sunday closed, every Sunday.
So next Thursday, when they offer stuff, we come back and look with the tools and everything. Dog, then
Yeah, I tell
they-
people then say we're not on a tour, we're not on a fucking sense.
you man, we're not on a tool right now, duh, dummy. They had a Civic up here.
This one I call Jackie. Dog said, oh.
I bought you boy, man.
Fuck you.
Yeah, see you want fuck, man.
Take it as how you take it.
No, this is a Range Rover right here. No, not the Range Rover.
That's a Alpha.
The fuck you know how much it
That's
costs?
just a fucked up ass car. That's what that is.
From here, when they-
See,
Yeah.
yo, see that? I switched your friend action, you know. Yo, dog, you know, fuck them boy, carry a fuck.
You can't buy man one carry come down here, man.
Everybody wants to see this,
Shit.
All of my buy 5 motor, that's it.
like, you know, they get off parts,
I'm not buy for nothing else, I'm just buy a few
and then
motor.
they sell back to those class, back in the little empty.
The money them I make.
And a lot of the yard is empty. Found out brand new, that's a 2020 something.
No brand new.
Like,
What is this money about
Oh,
brand new?
yeah, that boy like her?
yeah. It's a new.
Yeah, fuck up. What's that? Fresh drop.
Man, fool the fuck. I can't talk this nigga. He just be taking shit literal. For no reason. Like literally. The fuck I am. Should I drop out bust her face? There's an IS right here. 250. Y'all niggas trying to make me as black as I am, bro. I'm already black as fuck.
Just have to go find a good
I'm
one.
already black as hell. Fuck.
Man, you just have to make sure they're good ones. Take me out.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna catch you back when we come back.